Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me Yen and you're watching Yen TV. So for today's video, I'm going to share with you another ESL company na hiring ngayon. As you can see on my screen, that is Sankai Online English. So all of the students here are Japanese and they are hiring Filipino tutors. So without further ado, let's get started. So once you go to their website, sankaienglish.com, you'll see this. Ito yung bago nilang website kung saan ka mag-apply. So you click that. Much better kung nabasa nyo yung lahat ng mga informations na nandito bago nyo i-click yung apply now button. Pero kung atat-natat ka na, go click that. So once you click apply now button, ito na yung makikita nyo. So you have to fill out all the needed information dito. You put your name, your major or your field of study, yung email address mo, your phone number, updated dapat, your Skype ID. By the way guys, for Skype ID or for Skype, ang ginagamit na ngayon in English is hindi na Skype. Ang ginagamit na ngayon is MS Team or ito yung tinatawag na Microsoft Team. Okay, ilalagay ko yung logo. Yan. Once you're done with that, now upload your CV or your resume. For your speed test result, go to speedtest.net and then copy and paste the link of the result here. Once you're done filling out all the needed information, you click the submit application. So yun yung step 1, submit your application. So step 2 naman, ito na yon, complete training and pass the assessment. So kailangan mong ipasa yung training at yung assessment para makapunta ka sa step 3. Yung step 3, dito na yung mag-open ka na ng slots and then magtuturo ka na, mag-start ka ng magturo. Naman nagtatanong, ano yung mga qualifications? So, ito yung qualification, dapat you are a college level. Meron kang experience sa pagtuturo. But if you're a fresh graduate, pwede ka naman mag-apply. Gaya ng sabi nila dito, we still welcome pa rin to apply. So, open siya for male and female applicants age 18 to 60. Kahit na senior citizen ka na, pwede ka pa rin magturo. Kailangan you speak English na may neutral accent. Dapat flexible yung schedule mo, patient ka. Kasi nga magtuturo ka, hindi pwedeng wala kang pasensya. And you are willing to work 20 hours per week with up to 30 hours during peak season. Malakas dapat yung internet connection mo and meron ka dapat LAN cable. Meron akong nakita dito na ESL tutor na nag-apply siya sa Sangha pero hindi siya na-accept kasi wala siyang LAN cable. Ito, papakita ko sa iyo ano ba yung LAN cable. Dapat meron kayong noise cancelling headset. Dapat creative ka and you are passionate about teaching. Pero kung hindi ka naman passionate about teaching, mapagpa-as if ka. Gaya nga ng sabi nila, fake it till you make it. Ganon. So, yung device requirements, dapat, ngayon sinabi ko, you have a reliable laptop or PC with a LAN cable connection. Meron kang webcam and noise cancelling headphones. And, of course, a stable internet connection with at least 10 Mbps upload or download speed. Nga pala, when it comes to the kanilang salary, hindi nila nalagay dito. I think it's confidential, hindi nila pwede isabi. Pero, based on my research, nakita ko doon na yung per 25-minute class nila is 55 pesos, if I'm not mistaken. 55 or 50 something. Kasi 100 pesos per hour. So, I think it's 50 or 55. Hindi ganun kalaki, pero I think for beginners, kung bago ka pa lang sa ESL industry, okay na to. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!